What's happening one day pan, so in this video I am gonna make guacamole Jamaican style, my style. So this is not foreign guacamole, this is Jamaican style, my style, Anjaniki Kwa style, right? Guacamole. So I am using one pear. Yeah man, me know say the correct name avocado or whatever, but a pear we call it in Jamaica, and a pear me go call it right yasso. So me use one ripe pear. So I'm using a fork to mash the pear, and I like my guacamole a bit chunky. See there? So me like it, right? A bit chunky. Sprinkle a little bit of salt, cause you don't know say the pear fresh, meaning always the things fresh in Jamaica, we mean say you want more salt. You understand patois style? Yeah, so the pear fresh. So I added just a little bit of salt to it to give it some flavor. So I'm adding like half teaspoon of lime juice. Right. So I'm using just a little piece of onion, and I am using just a little piece of hot pepper. I am using piece of green hot pepper and piece of orange black pepper that I am gonna mince using this knife. So these are the ingredients that I like in my Jamaican style version of guacamole, or as we used to call it when I was small, seasoned pear. Yeah man. So this is my version as I mentioned before, and I do not like to put powdered season, or I should say spices, into it. I just like to use natural ingredients, and I do not like a lot of ingredients in it as well. So I am having it with cream crackers, Jamaican style, as I mentioned before. Yeah man, and if I tell you, it is so fresh and so nice. It's just light, and it's something that you can just sit down and eat while you watch TV. Yeah man, so thanks for watching.